In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to set up OBS Studio to record only browser window. So first of all, go to your browser and open a window. Then go to your OBS Studio and under scene, select the scene in which scene you want to add your browser source. Then under sources, click on this plus icon and select window capture. Click on OK. Now click on this window drop down and select the browser window, which window you want to record or capture. And then if you want to capture cursor, then make sure to check this option. Then just click on OK. And here we can see only the specific browser window added as a source in my OBS Studio. Now if I click on start recording, then the OBS Studio will only record the specific browser window. Once your recording finished, click on stop recording, go to file, click on show recordings, and here as you can see my recording, OBS only recorded this specific browser window. Thanks for watching.